Now let's try to add some more spread. When we click on each letters, this spread letters, it will create a sound. So choose a spread. Once again, I will move to letters and select some more alphabets. I will select A. This is my new spread. Now I am having two spread. Make sure the A is selected because on the L we already have a sound. And move to the event. From the event, drag and drop when this spread click. And then we will add the sound. So here I will go when this spread clicked. That means the letter A, alphabet A is clicked. We will have a sound like this. Now my friends, let's add some more spread. That means some more letters. I will go with V. Make sure the V is selected. Go to events, drag and drop when this spread clicked. Once again my friend, repeat the sound. Go to sound and drag and drop start sound. Now you can see when I clicking on this 3 alphabet, it is creating a sound. Let me add some more alphabets. I will go with I. Then I will go with V. T. Now I have one name, that is LAVIT. That is love it. Each of these spreads are individual. You can perform this event on each of these individual letters. So I can perform with the I. I can just make a drag and drop of the event and then add a sound. Same I am going to do with the rest of the alphabets. I will select E, T, and then it will click like this. You can see when I clicking on the letters. Now let's see some more. You cannot make a drag and drop of when click because we are already using when this spread click. What you are now